Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Brave VPN subscription. All right, so first off, as you can see here, my Brave VPN is opened or enabled. When we click on the three dots right here at the bottom right, we have a Brave VPN. If you just want to disable it, well, just untick it and you're good to go. Now, when we tap on it, as you can see here, we only have the option to pause and disable. Okay, so to cancel it, you'll have to go to your Play Store or App Store. Let's say I have Android right here. I'm going to open up Play Store. Now what we'll do is just go ahead and to find our profile right here at the top right. Tap on it. Now go ahead and find payments and subscription. Okay, tap on it. And here we have subscriptions. Tap. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, go ahead and find your active Brave VPN subscription. Okay, so what we're going to do is just tap on Brave VPN right here. Tap on it. Now what you'll do is just tap on cancel subscription. Just basically select the reason, tap on cancel subscription, and you're good to go. That is it. That is how you cancel your Brave VPN subscription. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.